Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me again for this week's edition of Wellness Wednesday. My name is Jamie Cohick and I'm a counselor here with Beaufort County Community College. In the past, you may have heard me talk about meditation as a relaxation strategy. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind and eliminating distractions to achieve the state of mental clarity, relaxation, and heightened awareness. How do you do this, you might ask? Well, first you're going to want to find a quiet space. Choose somewhere where you will not be disturbed. Next, a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. You might choose a chair, a cushion, or a mat, whatever is right for you. Next, you're going to want to focus on your breath or a mantra. So you would just close your eyes and bring your attention to that breath or that mantra. You might choose breathing, so you might want to breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Just focus on that repetition. Or you might choose a mantra. You might say something like, I am bliss, or I am worthy. Or you might choose to repeat a phrase such as recharge, renew, respond. Whatever works for you, but the goal is to keep your mind focused and present on that breath or that mantra. And let your thoughts come and go without attachment. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to that breath or that mantra. And you might start with short sessions, maybe only do this for 5 to 10 minutes, but you might gradually increase as you become more comfortable with it. Remember that consistency is key. Regular practice of this technique can enhance its effectiveness in promoting relaxation and overall well-being. I hope this strategy can work for you and will help to center you. But if you find that you're still struggling with your thoughts or just not sure where to turn, please text or call 988 to reach the Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Please also remember that you are not alone. We are here for you in the Counseling Center and would be glad to help you with this or any other topic. I wish you all a wonderful and relaxing week. Happy Wednesday.